So here we are at the part of the guided relief where you don't have to do anything. You don't have to look at anything. You don't have to pay attention to anything. So I'm going to invite you to get as comfortable as possible. You're welcome to turn this off and turn it back on after you've gotten comfortable so you can really lean back, put your feet up if you want to, and just listen. There's two assignments here. One is the compassionate observer, and the other is a different type of titration. I will go from one to the other, but I will stop for a moment to let you know that I'm going on to the next one, just in case you'd like to stop and do it again at a different time. So just taking some breaths in and out, and again in and out. Just allowing yourself to breathe. You might notice that when I invite you to just breathe, and I encourage you to allow your body to become as comfortable as possible, and I encourage you again to connect with your body, that your mind may come up with lots of thoughts, and your focus may naturally go to places in your body that are not that comfortable. And you may notice that even though I'm encouraging you to relax, that it may not feel that relaxing, because now you're stopping, and now there's no distraction, and now I'm inviting you to connect with yourself. So I'm going to encourage you not to stop the thoughts from coming up, but just see if you can notice what happens when you're still. See if you can kindly and compassionately just observe yourself, the thoughts that come up, what you notice, as you give yourself permission to connect with yourself for just a couple of minutes. And that might feel very good, to give yourself the opportunity to just be. Or it might feel very busy, your mind shattering at you, your body, different places in your body calling for attention. And just see if you can allow yourself to just breathe and pay light attention to what's happening. And I want to invite you to just listen in. And maybe in the listening in, all you're aware of is your breath in and out. But when we begin to settle, sometimes our mind just wants to chatter at us. So just notice. Is what your mind, what it's saying, is it kind? Are you speaking kindly to yourself, giving yourself opportunity? Or is it worry chatter, negative schemas? I just invite you to listen and to breathe and to consider letting your body just do what your body will naturally want to do, which is just feel a little better, because you're not needing to hold yourself up and you're not needing to look at anything, closing eyes. And it might feel quite comfortable, and if it doesn't, just allow yourself to be aware of that, because this is an opportunity for you to listen in a non-judgmental and very kind way to what happens when I invite you to just be and to connect. Asking yourself if the thoughts that are occurring right now are increasing your comfort or increasing your discomfort. Are they helpful? Or maybe you can notice the split second of blankness that comes from thought to thought. And just another moment or two, just listening in to see what you notice. Just allowing yourself to be, and just observe what happens when I ask you to connect to your mind and your body. And if it's easy, just be grateful. And if it's not so easy, know that it will get easier, and it's completely normal and natural when you listen in to notice distracting thoughts and irrelevant thoughts or difficult thoughts. And it's also completely normal and natural if you haven't spent a whole lot of time connecting with your body recently. It's natural to first notice places where you're less comfortable. And just breathing and accepting that also. Accepting what's ever there. It's good to know. It helps you learn about yourself more. So just take another moment to be with this. And I'm going to encourage you to return to this exercise whenever you can, so you can learn more about yourself. And you may find that each time you return, there's just a little more space where there's no chatter, no pulling for attention, just an ability to appreciate just being. Body can move however your body wants to move to get more comfortable. and then allowing you to settle and just be for this moment, and then maybe this moment, and then maybe the next. So now, moving into another type of titration. I'm going to invite you to follow my voice to a place that you can begin to tune in to where there might be some comfort in your body. And you already know how to do this because you've done it before. Find that place in your body that's more comfortable. And really notice it. Breathe with it. Be with it. Just noticing that place in your body that's just a little more comfortable. Nothing else to do but to just notice this. Breathing in and out, noticing this place of comfort. Very softly and very slowly and kindly, I want to invite you to become aware of a place in your body that's a little less comfortable. Maybe a place that's holding some stress. And just be aware of it. This isn't an uncomfortable place. This is a place that maybe you normally might hold on to some stress. Just notice that. And now returning to that place in your body that's more comfortable. Taking some breaths in and out. Knowing that there's a place in your body that's more comfortable. And then returning to that other place in your body that's holding some tension, holding some stress. Just light awareness to it, just noticing it. And a breath, and then returning your focus to this place in your body that's more comfortable. Knowing you can come back here. And now again with an out breath, shifting your focus to that place in your body that's holding just a little bit of stress. Noticing it, just a little bit of tension. And then returning to this place in your body that's more comfortable. As you begin to notice that even though there's a place that may not be so comfortable, there's this other place that's so much more comfortable. And as you return back to this place in your body that may be holding a little bit of tension, it begins to become muted, just a little more comfortable, just a little bit more. And then we bring your attention back to that place in your body that you know is holding comfort. That place in your body that's just being a body part. And then again, going back to that place that's a little less comfortable, but it's gotten muted. The volume's been turned down a little bit. The color isn't so strong. And bringing your awareness again back to that comfortable place in your body, knowing that there will always be a comfortable place in your body. And just allow yourself to focus on this. And even though all of your mind may not be entirely focused on this, and there may be thoughts coming up, that's okay. You can breathe in and out and let them float away as you allow yourself for just another moment to luxuriate in that part of your body that's more comfortable. Just luxuriate in that part of your body that's more comfortable, following my voice, breathing, giving yourself permission to sink deeply into this place that's just a little more comfortable. When you hear the music, you will know that this has come to an end. But I invite you to just stay and be, and see if you can go even more deeply when the music begins into this place of comfort.